Hey guys, we get this question all the time. How do I open a garage door with a broken spring? Step one, don't do that. It's dangerous. These things are heavy. A door like this could weigh 100, 150 pounds. A two-car garage door, 16 or 18 foot wide, could weigh, depending on what it's made out of, could weigh over 300 pounds. A lot of doors will have more than one spring. You may only have one broken spring, so it may be under, half load. If that other spring gives out, once you've raised the door, that thing could crash down and hurt somebody, break more stuff on the actual door, break cables, cable drums, other door hardware parts, screw up the track. There's just a ton of problems that could arise from opening it. If you absolutely have to do it and there's no other options, depending on the door, the springs in this door, this Torquemaster spring up here, there's no spring tension. I can lift this door myself, but I'm a big, strong guy, right? It's hard. If this was a 16 by 7, it would be very hard for me to get this door up and to prop it open to get a car out, whatever you're trying to do. If you have two people, capable people that aren't going to hurt themselves doing this, then you'd have one guy over here and one guy over here, raise the door, clamp it with really good, strong clamps under this bottom roller down here. Once you get it up to the height you need it, clamp it, and then underneath the door, I'd put something to stop it, a 2x4 on both ends. Because if I put one on this end and this clamp gives out and the spring breaks, the door could jump the track, fall down, completely come off the tracks and really hurt somebody, screw up your car. Just a bunch of stuff that you don't want to happen. Again, if you have a broken spring and you don't absolutely have to get something out of the garage or open the garage right now, go on our website, pick whatever kind of spring, extension, torsion, Torquemaster, order it. We have overnight shipping options. If you order in time, we do same business day shipping. So if you order on a Monday at 8 a.m., it's shipping Monday. And then you pick an overnight option. It can be there Tuesday. So try to avoid it. If you have to go to work, you can Uber. There's technology that exists that you can do this without screwing up your garage door worse than it already is, hurting yourself, hurting somebody else, screwing up your car. Just a laundry list of bad things that can happen if you try to raise a door with one broken spring, both broken springs. Some of them of old 18-foot wide wooden door. Good luck getting that thing up high enough to get a car out. They're extremely heavy. There's not a lot of places to grab them. They're not light like these steel doors. So if you need a spring and you're in a pinch, we're probably one of the only places that offer shipping that quick for these kind of items. ExpressGarageDoors.com. Hopefully this video helped. Probably not what you wanted to hear. This thing just turns into a giant piece of metal that you have to lift manually. The springs are what actually lift the door, not your garage door opener. Do not try to use your door opener to open one of these because you will strip the gears, you'll break the belt, you'll rip the operator bracket that goes right here that your garage door opener attaches to. It will rip that off the door, and then you got to replace that too. If you want to buy all that stuff from us after you don't listen to what I say, then go for it. But just the best practice is figure out another way. You don't have to open the door today. Tomorrow, order from us. Tomorrow you can fix it and be back in action. So check out our other videos if you're curious about what it's going to cost, how to replace any of these springs. We have videos on all of it. Check those out, see if it's something you can handle. If it is, visit our website and buy it.